Hello beauties, welcome back, and today's video shows you 5 of my go-to signature eyeliner styles. So before I start, I would like to mention that this video is sponsored by Plum Goodness, and this is what the outer packaging looks like if you buy it. The MRP of NaturStudio All Day Wear Kohl Kajal Twin Pack with green and black is Rs $9.90. The combo price of the twin pack is Rs $8.50. So if you use my code SHWETAV10 on Plum's website, you will get 10% off. So basically, you will get the twin pack for just Rs $765 and this cute makeup pouch for free. So don't forget to grab this discount offer only on Plum's website. Plum Goodness is also available on Amazon India and Nykaa. What I love about the NaturStudio pencil is that you can use it as a kajal and an eyeliner. Yep, it's 2-in-1 because it's 100% smudge proof, preservative free, 100% vegan, cruelty free, and free from parabens and SLS and other harmful chemicals. So this is perfect for sensitive eyes. I'm using NaturStudio's Black Brilliance and Gemstone Green, which is thankfully back in stock because it's one of my favorite green colored eye pencils, you guys. This one is so easy to work with, and the kajal comes with a free sharpener worth 150 rupees. It's a flip tip sharpener which helps you get that desired pencil tip, making it last twice as long as a twister kajal. So let's start this party, as I'm super excited to show you how I work with these beauties to create some of my favorite eyeliner looks. So my first eyeliner style is my go-to liner gradation from green to black. I use the NaturStudio black first and draw a line close to my lash tip. Making it thicker or thinner is completely your choice. I end the black liner right in the middle of the upper lash tip, and then I carefully draw a wing liner. Then from the inner corner of my eyes to the midsection of my upper lash line where the black liner ended, I use the Gemstone Green, and it adds such a beautiful two-color gradation, and I do the same on my lower lash line as well. Right below the lower lash line, halfway goes the black, and then I fill the Gemstone Green on my waterline. Lashes and mascara is what I add, and my first simple look that looks perfect with an Indian wear, Western wear, party, dates, you know, the whole works. Just keep the lipstick nude and the rest of the makeup simple, and I absolutely love the style so much. It just looks great on everything, you guys. The second one is the simplest double wing using both the eye pencils again. I always create that wing right at the end of my lash line and draw the liner thick since that suits my eyes. Then I darken it and clean it up well by lightly stretching my eyelids and sharpen the eyeliner on the inner corner of my eyes to give it a doe-eyed effect, and then tight line. For my lower lash line, I start the double wing tip from the end of the lower lash line with the Gemstone Green and then connect it to my lash line and go heavy with the application. The best way to work with these pencils are one eye at a time, so always smudge immediately after application. I like to take extra Kohl with my smudger brush and smudge out that green liner to give it a more smoky effect. Lashes and mascara completes this beautiful eye makeup. If you are my OG subscriber, then you would know that this curved crease liner is my signature style. It's perfect for hooded eyes as well. Taking the Gemstone Green, I start drawing my liner close to the lash line, very light-handed. Now the tip of that liner that falls below your crease line, you curve the liner hugging your crease gently. Again, go light-handed. First trace it with almost like a shadow, and then once you get the alignment properly, you completely correct that entire eyeliner by going heavy-handed. Stretch your lids lightly to clean it up and look straight ahead to see whatever gap that is left between that crease line as well as your upper lash line. You just fill it up. Now smudge the line on the crease very neatly to give it like a shadow effect on the crease, and also smudge the eyeliner on the upper lash line too. This just makes everything look very, very seamless. For my lower lash line, I connect the wing to my waterline and then apply Gemstone Green only on the waterline, and it finishes off in the midsection. I do not pull it all the way to the inner corner. Add mascara on the lower lashes and an optional falsies for extra drama. Make heads turn with this beautiful look. One of my favorite way to cheat a smoky eye without the complication of blending shadow is by using an eye pencil. I start with my upper lash line by drawing a wing directly. I do not draw on top of my lash, the proper eyeliner way. From the tip of my wing, I draw a thick liner midway right below my crease, and from the inner corner, I draw and connect it. It kind of like covers your entire eyelid, but it falls a little below your crease line. Now after application, smudge those lines quickly as it sets immediately, and taking my smudger brush once again, I start to diffuse the black liner, making it seamless and clean. I will repeat this step after filling the gap with gemstone green, which I go really heavy-handed with the green pencil. Then once more I darken the black liner and diffuse it to make it clean. Guys, I do this trick till I'm satisfied with the lines being absolutely neat yet dark. Now all you have to do is fill up your waterline with the gemstone green and properly smudge it out, and go really heavy-handed just to add that extra drama, and there you go. You have a smoky eye effect without eyeshadow, but just using these two beautiful eye pencils to create that high drama. This is such a party look. It's just fantastic. Keep the rest of the makeup really nice and simple. Go with a nude lip and voila, there you go. It's fab. The last look might look complicated, but it's super easy. I call this the bird tail or the double stack. So you need to just draw your, the usual winged eyeliner. Just make sure that it is aligned properly, stretch out, draw that wing at the end of your, upper lash line. And once you get the proper alignment, leaving a gap between the first line, you draw a second line very close, almost, just leave a slight gap. You can increase the length of it much later. You can clean it up later. First trace it, like you can see what I'm doing right now, and I'm just drawing the second line, and even in the inner corner I'm just going to sharpen it so it looks like a bird eye basically. And now I'm just cleaning out that line. On my waterline I'm using the gemstone green, very light-handed all over my waterline, but on the inner corner, as you can see, where it has like a bird's beak, I really go heavy-handed with the gemstone green. So you can see how it adds that pop of color, and this looks so beautiful with your Indian outfits. So this ends the tutorial. I hope you really liked all the 5 looks. Let me know which one was your favorite, which one you're going to attempt. Don't forget to, check out the bottom bar for all the product listing as well as the website. And I shall see you very soon in my next. And until later, bye for now.